What you're looking at here is yellow gum. Scientific name is Eucalyptus subcrenulata. This is one of my seed-grown eucalyptus. The seeds were from trees in Olympia, Washington, which is a colder, wetter zone than I am here in the Portland area. I think there is zone 8A in Olympia. 8A, 8B, whereas 8B kind of bordering on 9A, and I get a lot of heat and they don't. What I found with eucalyptus trees is they seem to be really sensitive to being transplanted, some more so than others. I've had good luck moving neglecta, and I've also had really good luck with Passiflora, the snow gum. They seem to do really well and grow very fast. But then I've had ones like this and stellulata, which is also called Black Sally, and even Paraniana, which is the spinning gum. You kind of stick them in the ground, they do nothing. They just sit there. So I was trying to think of when I planted this. I think I planted it late 2018. It was probably only 4 inches tall. Last year, it kind of did nothing, and the beginning of this spring, it wasn't doing a whole lot. This is kind of a shady spot, so what we did, it's kind of tough to see, but I put a marker, which is right here, and it says April 29th, and so it's probably almost not quite doubled in height, but it's put on a lot of new growth. The taller it gets, the more sun it's getting, so I think that helps, but I think it was just kind of setting its roots. I pulled off one of the dried dead leaves, and it does have a eucalyptus odor. Not all of them have that. So yellow gum, it grows in alpine areas, and this one's a little bit different because instead of having a bluish colored leaf, they're green, and they stay green. So it'll be interesting to see when this one changes from the juvenile foliage to the adult foliage. And the thing about yellow gum is that this tree is too small at this point, but they're known as yellow gum because when the bark peels, it is a fluorescent yellow color. Right now, it's just kind of brown with a little bit of green, but it seems to be doing pretty good. It's starting to take off. So once they start to do that, then that's usually when I find you get the explosive growth. My thoughts are this will probably be close to the height of this by the end of this summer, which will be 5 feet or so. And next year I think it'll probably be growing more than what I'm accustomed to seeing, about 6 feet a year. So this is going to be a pretty big tree pretty quick. I did plant it here because we get really scorching hot sun on our house, and this is where we had a big giant Norway maple. So a lot of my plants over here were planted for shade, and now they're getting just torched by the heat. So this tree should help with that, and unlike these big hawthorns up above, it'll keep its leaves year round and give us privacy. Our bedroom's right near there, so I think you'd have a hard time finding this one in any store or possibly online, but that's Eucalyptus subcrenulata, or the yellow gum. I think your best bet is to grow it from seed. They do need cold stratification, so I think I'm probably on the limit of this. 8A I think would be the minimum you could grow this plant, but I'll keep you updated and we'll see how it looks as it progresses. Thanks for watching.